In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust. If you want to get into Cloudflare Zero Trust for the first time, the process is actually pretty straightforward. The main goal here is to access the Zero Trust area from your Cloudflare account and complete the initial setup so your environment is ready to use. To begin, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Make sure you're using the account where you want to manage your Zero Trust settings, since this is where all of your configuration will live. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Zero Trust section and click Get Started. This will launch the setup flow and guide you through the basic onboarding process. One of the first things you'll be asked to do is choose a team name. This name needs to be unique, so take a moment to pick something clear and easy to recognize. In many cases, this team name becomes part of how users identify your Zero Trust environment, so it's worth choosing something simple and professional. If your first choice isn't available, just try a variation until you find one that works. After that, you'll move on to selecting a subscription plan. If you're just getting started, it's helpful to know that the free tier supports up to 50 users, which is enough for many small teams, personal lab environments, or early testing. If your organization needs additional features or a larger user limit, you can review the paid options during this step. The key thing is to choose the plan that fits your current needs, knowing you can always revisit your setup later if your requirements grow. Once your plan is selected, continue through the onboarding wizard. This part is important because it helps you configure the core pieces of your Zero Trust environment. You'll be guided through setting up user authentication, which controls how people sign in and verify their identity. You'll also be prompted to configure private network tunnels, which are used to securely connect internal resources without exposing them directly to the public internet. As you go through the wizard, take your time reading each screen carefully. Even though the setup is guided, understanding what each option does will make it much easier to manage your environment later on. When you finish these onboarding steps, your Cloudflare Zero Trust setup will be accessible and ready for further configuration based on your security and access needs. That's it for this video. You now know how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust and complete the initial setup process.